Okay guys, first ride of Kirkaldy Market 2025, Ghost Train. It's also a new Ghost Train credit for me this one. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh. Here I go guys, here we go. First time on this Ghost Train, it's a new Ghost Train credit for me. I quite like the spiral lift hill so far. Dracula there. Oh, I made it to the top. Oh! Whoa! Oh, that's freaky. Whoa! Oh, I feel it's coming up. There you go guys in here. Oh! Oh my god, I got a heart attack there. I did not see that coming. Oh, that's even better when they've got live actors, guys. Oh, that was brilliant. No! Hey! Oh wow, this bit's really dark. Ooh! That was brilliant.